In this question, we're asked about two cards drawn from a deck of playing cards, and without replacement means after we choose the first card, we're not going to put it back into the deck. So there's only going to be 51 playing cards available for that second draw. And what's the probability of choosing a black card for the second card if the first card was a diamond? So let's take a look at what that would be. So it tells us that the first card drawn was a diamond. Now there's 13 diamonds in the deck, ace through king, and we don't know which one was chosen, but it turns out that it's not going to impact our answer. So if we go to the second part, it says, what's the probability of choosing a black card? So what we're saying is, what's the chance of getting one of these 26 black cards if the first card we drew was a diamond? So we don't need to know which diamond was drawn. All that we need to know is that none of our 26 black cards were taken on that first draw, which means there's still 26 available to us on the second draw. And out of a total of, we no longer have 52 total cards because one of those diamonds is now missing, which means there's only 51 total cards. So 26 possible blacks to get out of 51 total cards. And if we take 26 divided by 51 on our calculator, we would get this answer. It says rounded to 4 decimal places, so we would say 0.5098.